I'm now going to show you how to make one right increase and one left increase, which creates these increases here along the middle stitch. So this is a right increase and this is a left increase. And this is what we're looking for. We're looking for this stitch in the middle to go straight, whereas all the other stitches fan out like so. I'm now going to show you how to make a M1R increase or make one right increase. And you start by knitting all the way over to your marker. So we're going to use this bar here that you can see between the two stitches. You're going to, with your right needle, you're going to pick it up from the front like so. Then you're going to put it on your left needle from behind like so. You're now going to knit this stitch going right way in and knit it like so. And you've now made a one increase to the right. You're now going to knit as normal your stitch. And I'm now going to show you how to do a one left increase. And we're going to do the same with the bar here. The bar between the two stitches, you're going to pick it up with your right needle from the front again, but this time you're going to, with your left needle, go in the front, like so. You're now going to knit it from the back, but I find it much easier to go from the front and wrap it around like so. So you're in the back with your right needle and you're going to knit it like so. And you've done your increase. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.